Hi, I'm Sachin and welcome to Mind Sculptures. During my college years, I never gave a thought about what mind is or even what a thought is. And most of the people don't give a thought about such subtle faculties of mind. I was also unconsciously operating like everyone else in a state called autopilot mode. So it was like driving through life with eyes closed. At that time, I did not know what mind is or a thought is. And I had no idea of directing thoughts in a direction of what I want. At that time, I was having a very low level of awareness of what I'm thinking. And when we have a low level of awareness of what we are thinking, it reflects in our action and leads to unconscious actions. But why do we need all of this? Can't we be casual about it and be on autopilot mode for entire life? Why do we need to be more aware and more conscious of our thinking process? Does it play a role in living a happy, fulfilled, peaceful, creative, and a satisfied life? Yes, it does. To enhance the experience of life, you need to improve your perception and intelligence. Currently, you may be living at an unconscious level of thinking, which is influenced by society, cognitive biases, religion, custom, culture, and even your conventional education. So it is like a layer of dust that has come over the lenses of your mind, where you cannot think or perceive clearly. This is why there is no scope of improvement in thinking, perception, and intelligence. So after realizing this phenomenal problem of operating on autopilot mode, we came up with this idea of mind sculpture, where we have identified solution for making you an independent thinker, established in your real self, which is unbiased and unidentified by society, culture, custom, religion, and your own cognitive biases, and even your conventional education system. These all biases have been stored in your subconscious mind and have been interfering with the perception of your real self and the reality.